Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 10. Sy is equal to 150. Solution. If x and y are roots, then we have t square minus s plus y bracket t plus xy is equal to 0. From here, s plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. And from here, sy is equal to 150. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 150. Let us substitute for y. S bracket 10 minus s is equal to 150. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by 10. 10s minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 150. Then this is minus s square plus 10s. If you bring this to this side, become minus 150 is equal to 0. Let us divide all through by minus 1. If you divide minus s squared by minus 1, we have s squared. Then if you divide 10s by minus 1, we have minus 10s. If you divide minus 150 by minus 1, we have plus 150 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, s will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 150. Then s will be equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1, which is a, multiplied by 150, which is this c. Then everything over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 150, that is 600, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 600, that is minus 500 over 2. And this is the same thing as 10 plus or minus square root of minus 500 can be written as 100 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this is the same thing as s is equal to 10 plus or minus is square root of 100 is 10 square multiply by square root of 5 multiply by square root of minus 1 over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to 10 plus or minus, this cancel this, we have 10 square root of minus 1, which is I then square root of 5 over 2, and this is the same thing as 10 over 2 plus or minus 10I over 2 square root of 5. 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus 5I square root of 5, which can be written as S is equal to 5 bracket 1 plus I square root of 5. So this is the final answer for S, and this is also the final answer for X. Then we've gotten the value of S. Let's solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 10 minus X. Then Y1 is equal to 10 minus S1 is 5 plus 5I square root of 5. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5I square root of 5. If you open the bracket with this negative 1, then Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 minus 5I square root of 5, or 5 bracket 1 minus I square root of 5. These are the values of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 10 minus S2. Y2 is equal to 10 minus S2 is 5 minus 5I square root of 5. Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5I square root of 5. Y2 is equal to 5 plus 5I square root of 5, or 5 bracket 1 plus I square root of 5. These are the values of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 bracket 1 plus I square root of 5, 5 bracket 1 minus I square root of 5. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 5 bracket 1 minus I square root of 5, 5 bracket 1 plus I square root of 5. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. Then we may check to confirm if this is right or wrong. Let us check using this S1, Y1. To check, we have the given equation S plus Y is equal to 10, SY is equal to 150. Then we have, let us consider this, 5 bracket 1 plus I root 5 plus 5 bracket 1 minus I root 5 must be equal to 10. This is the same thing as 5 plus 5I root 5 plus 5 minus 5I root 5 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 5 plus 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Now let us consider this. SY is equal to 150. Then we have 5 plus 5I root 5 multiplied by 5 minus 5I square root of 5 must be equal to 150. 5 times 5, this is 25, minus 5 times 5I root 5, that is 25I root 5. Then 5I root 5 multiplied by 5, this is plus 25I root 5 minus 5 times 5, that is 25. Then I times I is I square, and root 5 multiplied by root 5, that is root 5 square. Then must be equal to 150. From here, this cancel this. We have 25 minus 25 multiplied by I square is minus 1 multiplied by this cancel this, 5 must be equal to 150. Then here is 25 minus 25 times 1 times minus 1, that is 25. Then times 5, that is plus 125, must be equal to 150. Now here, 25 plus 125, this is 150, is equal to 150, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.